Right now, thousands of small business owners are burning through hours on tasks that artificial intelligence could handle in seconds. They are answering the same customer questions over and over, manually sorting through invoices, copying data between spreadsheets, and writing repetitive emails that drain their creative energy. Meanwhile, their competitors across town have quietly deployed AI automation systems that work around the clock, never call in sick, and never ask for a raise. This is not some distant future prediction. This is the reality of running a small business in 2026, and the gap between those who embrace AI automation and those who resist it is growing wider every single month. If you have been on the fence about whether AI is right for your business, this is the wake-up call you have been waiting for. The window of opportunity to gain a competitive advantage through early adoption is closing faster than most people realize. Here is the truth most people will not tell you. You do not need a massive budget, a team of engineers, or a computer science degree to unlock the power of AI automation. The tools available today are designed specifically for non-technical business owners who want results without complexity, and the numbers back this up in a big way. Recent industry research shows that nearly 90% of small businesses are now leveraging AI in some form, primarily for automating repetitive tasks and improving operational efficiency. Businesses implementing AI automation are reporting productivity increases of 25 to 55%, depending on their industry and level of implementation. For every dollar invested in AI solutions, companies are seeing returns of $3.50 to $4 on average. That is a return on investment that very few other business investments can match. These are not projections from some optimistic white paper. These are observed results from thousands of real businesses that have already made the switch and are reaping the rewards. So what exactly does AI automation look like for a small business? Let us break it down into the areas where it delivers the most immediate and measurable impact. The first and perhaps most powerful application is customer service automation. Half of all small businesses in the United States have already integrated AI into their customer service operations. They are using AI-powered chatbots that can answer frequently asked questions instantly, route complex inquiries to the right team member, and even process returns or schedule appointments without any human involvement. Businesses that have adopted these tools report significantly faster resolution times, the ability to provide support around the clock, and measurably higher customer satisfaction scores. The most impressive part is that 65% of these businesses saw faster resolution times, and 60% gained the ability to support customers 24/7. Imagine your business being able to respond to every single inquiry within minutes, even at 3 in the morning on a Sunday, while your competitors make customers wait until Monday morning. The second major area is workflow automation. This is where platforms like Zapier, Make, and N8N have completely transformed what is possible for lean teams. These no-code automation tools let you connect your existing business applications and create intelligent workflows without writing a single line of code. For example, when a new lead fills out a form on your website, the system can automatically add their information to your customer relationship management tool, send them a personalized welcome email, notify your sales team on Slack, create a deal record in your pipeline, and schedule a follow-up task on your calendar. All of that happens in seconds with zero manual effort. What used to require a dedicated administrative assistant now runs silently in the background, freeing you to focus on high-value activities that actually grow your revenue. These platforms now offer thousands of pre-built templates, so you do not even need to build workflows from scratch. You simply pick a template, connect your apps, and customize it to fit your specific business needs. The third area that is generating massive returns is AI-powered content and marketing automation. Tools like Jasper, ChatGPT, and specialized marketing platforms are helping small business owners create professional quality blog posts, social media content, email campaigns, and advertising copy in a fraction of the time it used to take. But it goes far beyond just writing. AI can now analyze your audience engagement patterns, recommend the best times to post, A/B test your messaging automatically, and personalize your marketing outreach based on individual customer behavior and purchase history. Small businesses that were previously competing against corporations with entire marketing departments are now leveling the playing field with AI tools that cost less than a monthly phone bill. The content quality gap between big brands and small businesses has never been smaller, and AI is the reason why. Now here is where things get really exciting. The latest wave of AI automation involves what the industry calls Agentic AI. These are not simple rule-based automations that follow rigid if-then logic. These are intelligent digital agents that can understand context, make nuanced decisions, and execute multi-step tasks across your entire technology stack independently. Leading research from major consulting firms reveals that Agentic AI is expected to have the highest impact in customer support, supply chain management, research and development, and knowledge management. For small businesses specifically, this means you can deploy AI agents that independently qualify incoming leads, draft personalized proposals based on prospect data, manage your inventory levels by predicting demand patterns, and even handle bookkeeping tasks with minimal human oversight. The technology has matured to the point where these agents can document their own decisions and actions, making it easy to audit and refine their performance over time. Let me walk you through a practical implementation roadmap that any small business can follow starting this week. During the first 30 days, focus on identifying your biggest time wasters. Track how you and your team spend every hour for one full week. Look for tasks that are repetitive, rule-based, and do not require creative judgment or deep relationship building. Common candidates include data entry, appointment scheduling, invoice processing, email sorting, social media posting, and report generation. Pick the top 3 tasks that consume the most time and research which AI tools can automate them. Read reviews, watch tutorials, and sign up for free trials to test the waters. During days 30 through 60, implement your first automations. Start with the lowest risk, highest impact task on your list. If customer inquiries are eating up your day, deploy a chatbot on your website using platforms like Tidio, Intercom, or Drift. If you are drowning in administrative workflows, set up your first automated sequences in Zapier or Make. Connect your email platform to your CRM and let the system handle lead nurturing sequences automatically. The key here is to start small and measure everything rigorously. Track the time saved, the error reduction, and the impact on customer satisfaction before expanding to additional automations. From day 60 through 90, scale and optimize your automation stack. Once your initial automations are running smoothly, start layering on intelligence. Connect your chatbot to your CRM so it can personalize conversations based on customer history and past purchases. Add AI analytics to your marketing campaigns so you can automatically double down on what is working and pause what is not generating results. Introduce AI-powered financial tools that can categorize expenses, flag anomalies, and generate profit and loss reports automatically. Each automation you add creates a compounding effect, freeing up more time and resources to invest directly into business growth and strategic initiatives. There are a few critical mistakes you absolutely need to avoid along the way. First, do not try to automate everything at once. The businesses that fail with AI automation are almost always the ones that attempted a complete overhaul overnight instead of taking a strategic, phased approach. Second, never remove the human element entirely from customer-facing interactions. AI should handle the routine and repetitive, so your team can focus on building genuine relationships during the moments that matter most. Third, do not ignore data privacy and security. Make sure any AI tool you implement complies with relevant regulations and has proper encryption and data handling practices in place. Fourth, always maintain a feedback loop where you regularly review how your automations are performing and make adjustments based on real results rather than assumptions. The cost of inaction is something most small business owners underestimate dramatically. Research shows that businesses using AI automation handle 3 to 5 times more customer volume with the same team size. They are responding to leads in 15 minutes, while their competitors take 4 hours or longer. They are reducing operational costs by 40 to 60% across the board, And they are capturing market share at unprecedented rates because they can deliver faster, more personalized experiences. Every single month you delay implementing AI automation, you are not just maintaining the status quo. You are actively falling behind competitors who are compounding their advantages through technology. The tools have never been more accessible, affordable, or user-friendly than they are right now. Most of the platforms I mentioned offer free trials or generous free tiers that let you test extensively before committing any budget. The learning curve has been dramatically reduced thanks to drag-and-drop interfaces, natural language commands where you simply describe what you want in plain English, and extensive template libraries built by the community. You do not need permission from anyone to start. You do not need a technology background or a dedicated IT department. You just need the willingness to invest a few hours this week into exploring what is genuinely possible. AI automation is not about replacing you or your team. It is about amplifying what you are already good at and eliminating the tasks that drain your energy and limit your growth potential. The small businesses that thrive over the next 5 years will not necessarily be the ones with the biggest budgets or the most employees. They will be the ones that figured out how to make AI work as a force multiplier for everything they do. And the beautiful thing is that the barrier to entry has never been lower. You can literally get started with a free account on any of these platforms during your lunch break today. The question is no longer whether AI automation will transform small business. It already has. The only question that remains is whether you will be leading that transformation or struggling to catch up with those who did. Start today. Start small. But whatever you do, start now.